Hi everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's. We are having the most amazing day today here in Louisville. It's so warm and pretty out, so it put me in the mood for something fun and springy. So we have these adorable butterflies that are going to be available at shopdeeslouisville.com. We are going to create a really cute floral piece on here, and the butterfly is going to be available in this pink check or also available in this green check. And the kit will come with the same flowers and ribbon because it looks great on both. So to start out, we have this adorable little Gerber daisy stem. And I really like this because of all the different foliages. And you know how I like those mixed stems. So you just want to go through and kind of fluff it up and bring it to life. And again, we're going to trim this stem, but you always want to remember to put a little glue on the end of your stem just so that paper wrapping that's on the end of that stem doesn't come apart, because then your flowers will start to separate. Remove that price tag. So it has really pretty colors and some beautiful foliage. And we're just going to add this right on here. And you could try to glue it. You can put your glue and just poke it right in through here, just like so. And I think we're going to do that. Otherwise, you could use wire if you wanted to just wire that on there. But we're just going to try to poke this right in here. And it goes in there really nice and easily. And then I'm just going to kind of straighten up this greenery a little bit. We have some cute little sticks that can bend. I'm going to bend this piece upward a little bit just to have a little something up that way. And we're going to straighten these up here. And then you are going to receive the ribbons that you need in your kit for this project. And I've already taken the liberty of making my bow. So you're going to have this really cute stripe and this pink little Swiss dot that's really cute. So I made my bow, and then I went back with my last piece of the ribbon and just added on some long streamers. So we're just going to go right up in here and just wire this right to our butterfly. I'm going to wrap this wire right around his body here. Now, there is a little space, so you can just poke your wires out through your butterfly, just like so. And I'm going to take my wire from my bow and poke it out this side. Come on now. Well, here we go. There it is, right there. Found the opening. Okay, and then we're just going to pull our bow on there nice and tight. So just pull that really tight, and it's going to hold that all on there really good. And then you can trim off your wire. And then we're going to put it right back on its little hook. It has a little loop up there, so you can hang it straight. You can hang it kind of angled. You could add this to a wreath if you wanted after you make it, or it could just be freestanding on the door alone. But I'm just going to go back in here and straighten up my greenery. Kind of move some of these leaves around and my flowers. And these are nice because they are on wires, so you can bend them and shape them to go whatever direction you like. Bring this yellow one out so we can see it all nice and pretty. And then we're going to take our long tails. I've already trimmed my cuts in my tails. And then you could always take them and just kind of bend them like so. Or you could roll them up and then unroll them so they're a little bit curly. And you have a quick and easy, beautiful butterfly door hanger. So check this out at shopdeeslouisville.com, and thanks for joining me.